In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use video backgrounds in Google Meet. Whether you're working from home or attending virtual gatherings, setting up a virtual background can add a touch of professionalism or fun to your calls. First, let's talk about the variety of visual effects you can use in Google Meet. From simple static backgrounds to dynamic video ones, Google Meet allows you to customize your virtual environment conveniently. You can even upload your own custom backgrounds if you want something uniquely yours. To get started with visual effects on a computer, you'll first want to access a Google Meet meeting. You can do this by going to meet.google.com or using a link provided to you for a scheduled meeting. Once you are on the Google Meet page, you'll see the preview of your video feed before you officially join the meeting. This is where you can make the magic happen. Before clicking on Join Now, take a moment to look closely at the bottom right section of this preview screen. There you'll find a button labeled Apply Visual Effects. Hit this button to be introduced to a world of options. You'll be greeted with multiple backgrounds and effects to choose from. If you fancy trying out a video background, you can scroll through the selections provided. Whether you prefer something serene like a beach setting or something dynamic like an animated graphic, there's likely something that suits your taste. But what if you're already in a meeting and decide last minute you want a video background? No worries. Simply look to the bottom right corner of your meeting screen where you will see three dots, a symbol indicating additional options. Clicking on these dots will bring up a menu where you'll again see the option to apply visual effects. Once in this menu, you can choose your preferred video background. Just click on your choice and it will be automatically applied to your current meeting. This automatic feature makes it seamless so you can continue your meeting without interruption as your selected video background takes over your space. And there you have it. Applying a video background in Google Meet is as easy as that. Remember, these visual effects not only serve aesthetic purposes, but also can help reduce background distractions. This can be especially beneficial in maintaining the focus of your audience during professional presentations or teaching sessions. So feel free to experiment with different backgrounds until you find the one that perfectly complements the meeting's tone or theme. I hope this guide has been helpful and that you feel ready to enhance your video calls with these features. Enjoy experimenting with your new virtual meeting space, and thanks for watching.